morning, guys. This is my morning water therapy. I have three kinds of water juices, whatever you call it. So, this is just plain water with chia seed inside, and I'm going to squeeze half a lemon, like warm water, half a lemon, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. So, that is the first drink. Next, I have this warm जीरा अजवाइन सॉफ्ट वाटर फेनल इसमें 4 टाइप के चीज़ें हैं. I will mention everything here. There's fennel, there's jeera, there's ajwain. That is a soaked previous night, and the water I have just warmed a little bit, and इसमें अदरक का juice भी है, so it's very good for inflammation. It's very good for gut, so that's the first thing you should have. Second, I'll have this, and this is of course my glow juice. Glow juice का recipe I have already uploaded. इसमें आंवला है, beetroot है, again अदरक है. There's black pepper, whole black pepper. So yeah, this is the glow juice, which is very good for your skin. A little bit of kachi haldi, so this is full of antioxidant vitamin C and very good for your skin. So this is my glow juice. Iska pura recipe already I have given. Along with that, I have some nuts. I have got 5 almonds and 3 walnuts, which is soaked from previous night. And after that, after having all this, I'll have this fruit as breakfast. So this papaya and this mosambi, and that's it. Next is my coffee time. This is my favorite time of the day. Today I'm going to use this blue tokai coffee. I have a bunch of coffee, so I just switch according to my mood. There's a Vietnamese coffee also I'm yet to try, and this is how you're supposed to pour it. I've already shown you guys how I use my machine. This is my home coffee machine, and it's pretty simple to use and amazing. So you can have like espresso shots, you can have cappuccino, you can use this machine for a bunch of stuff. So I will put the link of this home coffee machine, and all the crockery and everything will be in the description box. Also, if you want to see my crockery haul, do click on the link above for that vlog. And yeah, I at least have 1 to 2 cups with 1 or 2 shots of espresso every day, and this just is my addiction. So if you're a coffee addict, leave a comment down below, guys. Just look at that coffee. It looks like a cappuccino. It looks like milk, but it's actually the froth, okay? It's actually black coffee, and it has got amazing aroma. So yeah, cheers. So for lunch, I'm having this wholesome balanced meal where you can see I'm taking very less rice. This is like 120 grams of white cooked rice. With that, this is piyaj koli. It is a winter vegetable. Along with that, of course, I have my fish curry. There are two type of fishes. One is a prawn curry. If you guys want this prawn curry ka recipe, let me know. Along with that, I have 1 bowl of curd, that is a very good source of probiotics, and 1 whole bowl of salad. So you need salad in your lunchtime. Please add your greens, and that's my meal, and it's a very wholesome and fulfilling meal. Quickly, I'll show you guys what all stuff I got from Spencer's. I got a lot of stuff. They apparently have changed the bag, and they have switched to these kind of bags. Anyway, so the first thing I picked up is this mat. This is like a table mat. It's very good quality. They come in pack of 6. So I have laid 3 of them on the table like this. It's actually looking very nice on top of my white table. Next, I picked up 2 towels, both white. Of course, white is absolutely my favorite color. So this has got gold border, and they had like 1-on-1 free offer going on, and so it's a very nice material, soft, जैसे hotels में आपको मिलता है वैसा. Really like them. Also, I picked out this similar kind of this is like a runner, okay, that you can put on your slab, like a slab cover. So This is what I have put in my kitchen slab, because apparently my kitchen slab is also white and my cook kind of ruins, and she drops like haldi and stuff like that, so it kind of gets stained. So uske dar se maine ye runner lagaya hai. So whenever she's cooking, this is going to be applied. Next bag, what do we have? I have got yeah, I have got some chamomile tea. I have not tried this brand, it's something new. So let's see. इसमें 25 sachets आता है and this was costing how much? सब कुछ ऑफर में ही था फिर भी. Let me see. This was also an offer, so I'm going to take out all the sachets and put it on my coffee table like that. This is where I lay all my teas, different kind of teas, and chamomile tea and green tea is what I like to have at night. Next I picked out almond. I have almond every day. आपने देखा होगा what I eat in a day में. और क्या क्या है? Okay, next I have makhanas. This is roasted makhana, peri peri flavor, so this is a little spicy. And this is again 1-on-1 offer tha, so I picked out 2 flavors. So this is again roasted makhana cheese flavor, so 1 peri peri, 1 cheese. Next I got a mix of all the seeds, like sunflower seed, I think, yeah, this is sunflower seed, 100 grams of all seeds. Okay, so this is flax seed, this is pumpkin seed, this is sunflower seed, and this is chia seed. So ये मैं अपना smoothie bowl जब मैं बनाऊंगी, I'll show you how to have your seeds in that. I put it in my breakfast bowl. Super healthy, super duper, like it's a super food. Okay, and chia seeds are also super food. ये तो मैं रोज भिगो के रखती हूँ, and the next morning I have it with my lukewarm water. Next is this hand towel, again white color, again ये भी 1-on-1 free था, so 2 मिल गए मुझे. Next is olive oil. अभी olive oil ख़त्म हो गया था, तो I put olive oil in everything. Okay, I make my soups and chicken salad. जो भी dinner में मैं olive oil से खाती हूँ, and lunch we cook in सरसों का तेल. सरसों का तेल is also healthy, and for dinner I have olive oil. I make my chicken वगैरह in olive oil. And these are some plastic containers, so I'm going to put my seeds in this. All the it's made छोटा छोटा करके. These are like small boxes, तो इसमें मेरा पूरा ये seeds वगैरह आ जाएगा. And last but not the least, of course, coffee. Instant coffee मेरा ख़त्म हो गया था. ये कुछ नया आया है, black roast. I always have black coffee, so like I thought of trying this one out from Nescafe. Next is this Miniso haul. I picked up 3 things from there. It's very interesting. So they were having this Miniso collab kind of thingy with Harry Potter. So they were like really cool stuff. So I picked out 3 things from them. So it's like a Harry Potter collab with Miniso. This is the first thing I picked out. Look at this beautiful diary. It's the Slytherin house, like the green house from Harry Potter. Look at the detailing. It's this whole metallic snake and Slytherin is written on here. पीछे Harry Potter लिखा है, really cool. And this is a really nice diary for my journaling. So this ka cost was like around 650 rupees, really expensive, but yeah. They had like different houses ka diary, so I picked up, because in school I was in greenhouse, I just picked out this one. And this is the Harry Potter coffee mug, really nice. It is quite big. I don't know if the camera is picking out how big this is. Iska kya price tha? This was also around 500 or 600 rupees, but really good quality. Nice hot pink color. Hogwarts is written on it, and यहाँ पे उनका logo है. And that's the coffee mug. My favorite thing that I picked up is this keychain. I mean, look at this, so cool, right? If you guys have watched Harry Potter, you guys will know. Any Harry Potter fans out there, hit me up in the comment section. This is that game that they used to play, and then this was the, like, they had to chase this, you know, something like that. So yeah, it's like heavy duty. I think 300 रुपए का है. So it's really nice and cool. मैं अपना house की इस पे डालूंगी. So any Harry Potter fan, you guys can, if you're from Calcutta, you can go and check out. I don't know if it's only in Calcutta or everywhere else. You can go and check out the Miniso collab with Harry Potter. Now for dinner, which I do before, at least I try to do before 7 p.m., I'm going to show you guys this amazing and healthy and very easy to make mushroom chicken soup. For that you need dash of olive oil and about one little less than 1 tablespoon of butter, and nicely heat the oil and butter and add your whole chicken, like chicken with bones. So here I'm going to take like 250 grams of chicken bones and stir fry it for some time, and make after 2-3 minutes of frying it, add your garlic and ginger, like this is like whole, and little bit of onion and whole black pepper and little bit of long. So whole garam masala, little bit of mashed garlic, ginger and some onion, and I'm going to fry it for 2-3 minutes again and add about 1 liter, or like how much of a chicken stock you want. So we are making chicken stock out of it, so I like to add 1 liter of water and adjust the salt according to your taste. You can, I'll be adding more salt later, but this is just for stock, and I like to add lemongrass and coriander for that extra flavor, and a little bit of red chili powder for that spiciness. This is the jhal one, okay, the degi mirch, not for color. And stir everything and turn the gas low, cover it, let the chicken release its juice, and the stock is going to be ready in the next 20 to 30 minutes. So let it simmer and boil and leave it at low flame, and this is how the stock will look. After you strain it, you will get this beautiful chicken stock which is so full of flavor. Now on a separate pan, heat some more oil and butter, add finely chopped onion, garlic, ginger and stir fry all of them together nicely. After that, pour some more veggies, whatever you like. I have taken some carrot and bean, it's all finely chopped. And of course, after that, add your mushrooms, season everything very well and let everything fry for 5 minutes till everything is nicely sauteed and cooked. After that, add the shredded chicken. This is the boiled chicken that I had strained, and I have shredded them into small pieces and stir fry everything. And after that, add the stock. Okay, now after adding the stock, stir everything well, cover it for a minute and let this thicken up a little bit. You can add cornstarch, but because it's a weight loss diet juice, I have not added cornstarch. I have left it as it is. So for seasoning, I'm going to add some black pepper, some red chili powder. According to your taste, you can adjust. And I have also added a little bit of dark soya sauce and a little bit of vinegar so that it tastes a little bit like the Chinese manchow kind of soup. Everything is optional, okay? What seasoning and what toppings you want to put is all optional. Then I have added some spring onions and some coriander leaves as well for that fresh kind of flavor, and that's about it. Cover it, let it cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now in the end, I've also added a beaten egg. Now this gives that extra protein, of course, but also it looks very professional. So do try out adding egg to your soup, it will look very nice. And this is how delicious the soup looks. It looks very professional, and it's not only yummy but also is full of flavor, it's full of protein. This soup not only keeps you full for longer, but it's amazing for weight loss. You will wake up in the morning feeling de-bloated and your stomach is going to look flat if you have this at 7 p.m., and the next day you are going to get amazing results. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.